Hi, thanks for tuning into the video. Before we get started, I wanted to invite you over to my personal website at toddbrandon.com. There you can find out more about me, and you can even contact me through the website. And now, on to the video. Hey everybody, my name is Todd Brandon. In this video, we're going to get started on a series where we create a few forms in Microsoft Access. We're creating a vendor database. And then with each vendor, we have contacts for that vendor. Now, some of the vendors just have a single contact, but some of the vendors have multiple contacts, and we're trying to figure out a way, how do we select the vendor? And then when we select the vendor, we're able to view the contacts. So here's the final product right here, where when we open the database, it opens to this form, and we select a vendor. We have a drop down here, or combo box, with about 5 vendors. But imagine you may have, I don't know, 100, 300 vendors, something like that. You can have a long list here. Well, you can also go back, and let's just say you needed to search for a vendor. You can start typing, and you can find a vendor if you know the name. So we select the vendor for Great Plains Group, and we get this new form that shows us the name of the vendor, the website of the vendor. So if we go back to main, we can select another vendor. Let's select Terra Technology, and we get one contact, but it is the contact for that vendor. Go back to main, and that's really the gist of it. There are 3 forms in this project, but the third form is actually the inset subform here, showing the contacts. And really the foundation of this database is a query that pulls all the contacts per vendor. It's a right join query, and it's really pretty simple. And what we'll do is we'll start from there. We'll already have the tables set up, and then we'll start from building the query, and then we'll build the forms out. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.